consoles up there. And little showman's vehicles attached to the back of the engines, and they're their sleeping quarters. Now, if you think that road roller would have been on roadworks in its day, well, them men would have gone off for maybe a week or two at a time, and they would have lived out the back of the showman's home. And of course, not come home for a couple of weeks, so it's pretty exciting to think of. Now, the little folding going on in front of the grandstand at the moment. In full size, that would have travelled along our highways at about 22 miles an hour. And Foden came from Worcester in Cheshire. And of course, that is a fully working version owned by Steve Rock, the delivery of Vintage Engineering. As I always say, if you want to find out more about any of these engines, go and have a look at them. But if I can stop this engine here, if I can stop this one, alright? Now when you get to look at an engine, this is the height that you want to be able to look at, because you can see all the working parts and you can find out exactly where the combustion comes from to make it work. So it's not like you've got to climb up onto a big one and you can't see it, you can't examine it. At this height you can, but you've got to be very careful because they're extremely hot. As you can see, the safety valve there is letting some off at the moment. And if you get a chance to look at some of the discs and that are on the side of the engine, that's your hydraulic and your steam certificates. So, great example. And that's Tasca. The Tascas were an Andover company, and they operated out of the foundry works at Waterlooville in Andover. They also made what they call Andover trailers, and they were a big name in the 60s and 70s. But lovely to see all those examples of steam here today. Thank you everyone for watching the display of vintage vehicles. There's more things coming up in the arena fairly shortly, and it's goodbye from me.
Well, many thanks to John and your colleague. I'm afraid I don't know his name, the other commentator with you. So thank you both very much. What a magnificent sight it was to see all these incredible vintage vehicles as well as our traction engines. Such a fabulous sight, and I love it when they blow their little horns. Absolutely fantastic. Last one coming up. Poor little engine. My goodness. It's having a big strain, this one is. Yeah, that's lovely. Go on, go for it, gang. Gentleman on the back here is having a lovely time. His little pint of beer and cider. They've enjoyed their little trip round the main ring. Well, as you can see now, setting up in the middle of the main ring, our final feature for today. The second day, the Bath and West Festival. What a lovely day we've had. The sun has been shining. We've had lots and lots of people here. And now a lovely sight. If you've never seen an air balloon go up before, you need to come and watch this. The setting up takes a little bit of time, but it's a fantastic sight. And this is Thatcher's Cider.